Listen to the ricochet of sound off of these buildings. Here we go. Let's go! Discontinuation of the 5-liter Gallardo engine in 2008 after the Superleggera, the transfer to LP560 Gallardo came with a more flat-sounding V10 experience. Here's a clip of a 5-liter car, and here's a clip of a 5.2-liter car. You can very much hear the difference. Welcome back, everybody, to Valvetronic Designs. With the cancellation of all 5.2-liter Audi R8 V10s and Lamborghini Huracans, the V10 experience, it's now completed its life cycle, leaving a lasting impression on enthusiasts like you and me. But the question still remains, how can we achieve that 5-liter Gallardo sound out of that 5.2-liter odd-firing V10 engine? There's been one other company in the world that has achieved a very unique sound, with this video being the showcase. That other company did a phenomenal job engineering and making a very unique exhaust setup. In that video, they're using equal length exhaust headers. We all asked ourselves, okay, maybe we can make something like that and use the headers. The problem is in these cars, you have to take the headers out by removing the engine, which is a $10,000 to $15,000 job, over 40, 50 hours of work. It's a really big hassle. So at Valvetronic Designs, we set ourselves one objective: make a V10 powered Lamborghini Huracan STO, R8, whatever odd firing V10 experience you want, sound like that earlier 5-liter Gallardo. Maybe even sound as close or as good to a Lexus LFA or my favorite car of all time, the Carrera GT. The 5.2-liter Audi R8 has a very flat sounding tone. Don't get the resonance or the frequencies that are very enjoyable throughout the rev range. But the system that is on this Huracan STO is going to change the landscape of the 5.2-liter cars forever. The STO was our first development piece. We purchased an Audi R8 V10 Spider to do our own development for the R8 platform. And we have systems for the LP610 Huracan and LP580, Huracan Performante, Huracan Technica, the Audi R8 pre-facelifts. Cars from 2010 all the way to 2015 when they did the facelift, and of course from 2017 all the way to 2023. We're covering all the V10 5.2-liter cars so that you can have the best sounding exhaust setup in the world and bring back that 5-liter even firing sound to your Huracan or Audi R8. Guys, this is our biggest development ever at Valvetronic Designs, and we have cracked it. The setup on the car is our proprietary rear section. It is completely free flow and unrestricted in the rear section. The car has the factory exhaust manifolds, although it does have the primary cats removed, but this is an OEM type setup. No removing the engine, no crazy software. This car is bone stock, no software on the car, just the free flow sections, the cat deletes, and our proprietary rear section. Listen to how much it changes the experience. Let's get to it. Now, I've been so excited for this development to show you guys this. We've been working on this exhaust for 9 months. And this Huracan STO is the first time you guys will ever see a sound like this on OEM headers to the V10 5.2-liter platform. Down low, I'm still getting like the normal.
Exactly.
Yeah, but it's you can tell there's definitely a pitch change. It doesn't have the same like kind of. Oh fuck!
You're hearing a little bit of it. We just got to like 5,000, so you haven't even.
No way. Let's go!
We'll get some windows down for you
guys. A car that everyone said, oh, they all sound the same. Not anymore. Listen to this. It's normal V10 sound down low, but listen, once I go over 5,000, that's a 5-liter Gallardo. We could convince people that we've engine swapped this car. It's insane and totally transforms the landscape of how special these cars really can be.
Even the downshift there, like the...
Crazy, yeah.
Oh my God.
Listen to the ricochet of sound off of these buildings. Here we go. That's a Huracan STO, not a 5-liter Gallardo. Let's go! Wow, the music. Just like the F80 M3s, I never really enjoyed these cars. Dynamically, they're incredible, but they just missed something so important, and it was this. Listen to the downshift. It's full like 5-liter Gallardo. It's awesome. And of course, you can leave it to Valvetronic Designs to change the world.